Evansville Construction Company is helping local healthcare workers stay protected. Garmin Construction has postponed some of its projects due to the pandemic, but some carpenters are developing sneeze guards for local hospitals. Now, these plexiglass panels will be placed at registration areas and other patient interaction areas.
We've already given all of our N95 masks out to all of our hospitals, everyone that we had. So the ability of being able to help up and step up in the communities, it's always been part of our mission.
And Garmin also played a role in the war effort during World War II. The company built ammunition boxes for soldiers.